What's up, everybody? It's Greg. So as you know, in the initial stimulus package, the $2.2 trillion stimulus package, there was $350 billion set aside for what's called the Payroll Protection Program. In a nutshell, the Payroll Protection Program is a program that allows small businesses to go and ask for a loan, and if they receive that loan and then use those funds for certain expenses, meaning payroll, utilities, rent, then that loan can convert to a forgivable loan, meaning you would not have to pay it back. That $350 billion in loans was used up within a matter of days. Because of that, a lot of small businesses were left without receiving those funds that they need to be able to keep going and to keep their doors open. So the Senate just passed another stimulus package for $484 billion. And right around $300 billion of that is set to go to this Payroll Protection Program to expand it and allow more small businesses to seek these loans. So if you have a business that has not already taken part in the PPP program, the Payroll Protection Program, then I'm going to talk about what it takes to be eligible and how to apply. To be eligible for this program, you need to be a small business, meaning that you have under 500 employees. And that also includes self-employed workers or independent contractors. They can apply for this program. Applying is as easy as going to a bank that offers SBA loans, meaning Small Business Administration loans, and asking to apply for their PPP program. A lot of it, obviously, due to social distancing, is done online, so you can find those links online at pretty much every major bank and a lot of smaller banks as well. The loans can be up to $10 million, but they can only be up to the amount that's 2.5 times your monthly average payroll. And 100% of the loan can be forgivable if you follow the guidelines. Really, the guidelines on forgivability is to have an impact from COVID-19, meaning your business has slowed down from COVID-19 and that you certify that that's happened. Also, when you are forgiven, if you are forgiven for, let's just say for an example, $10,000, $7,500 or 75% of that forgivable part has to be towards payroll. And then the other 25% can go to things like rent or utilities. But 75% has to go to payroll. Applying is actually really easy. You just need to have a few things on hand. So when you apply, make sure that you have your monthly average payroll calculated. You're going to need figures or tax forms to be able to support that number. So you're going to need a W-3, payroll reports. Obviously, you're going to need business information so that you can fill that out and give that to the bank. Like I said, $350 billion was used up within a matter of days. I mean, it took like right around 2 weeks for $350 billion to be completely wiped out. So the Senate just passed an extra $300 billion, and that is going to the House today. And then obviously the president can sign that into law, and it'll expand the program, allowing much more small businesses to be able to get these funds and be able to survive throughout this pandemic. If you guys have any questions on the Payroll Protection Program or any other thing within the stimulus package that you'd like to hear about, please leave a comment in the comment section. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe.